Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video of Dope Trades. My name is Deepak and we will be taking a 5-minute trade on IQ option with the help of a simple price action strategy. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're liking the videos, please consider giving the thumbs up so that others can also reach out. And most importantly, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our daily updates. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Hey guys, we are now live on Euro USD and let me just quickly analyze the market. Okay, we are in a ranging market right now and we can find a breakout in either of the direction. So let me just quickly move the levels over here that we can breakout trade. However, the market is currently seems to be in an uptrend. Yes, the major trend of the market is an uptrend and the minor trend is a downtrend. So let's just wait patiently and see when we can get an opportunity so that we can take a trade. I'm just gonna skip forward the waiting part so that I can save you time. And once I take the trade, I will give you the complete setup explanation. Hey guys, a quick update over here. I could have taken a trade here, as I said that there's going to be a breakout in either of the direction, as this market was ranging and this was the breakout, and I did not take the trade because the body of the candle, you can see, is extended way too beyond the breakout area and we might find a support area somewhere over here. As you can see, the market has found support here, so I did not want to risk entering our trade over here at this position because it's too far from the area of resistance, the newly formed resistance. So that's the reason I did not take a trade here. Anyhow, if you would have, we would have ended up in a profitable trade, but it just didn't feel right for me. So that's the reason I did not take this trade. I'll just wait for another opportunity because the market has plenty of opportunities. All we need is patience and discipline. Yes, I did feel a bit of regret that I missed out this opportunity, but it's okay. Let's just wait for another opportunity. Guys, as you can see, I've entered a trade for 5 minutes in the upward direction over here, and the reason I did that is because we can see that this was the downtrend and this was the breakout from here, and so this was the retracement phase, but the market failed to form a new lower low comparing to this and was trying to retrace back in the upward direction. So that's the reason I've taken a 5-minute trade over here in the upward direction. So let's just wait for the trade to end, and then once again I'll give you the complete explanation of the setup. So guys, we have won this trade clearly and I am out of speech right now. This is totally unexpected. I was thinking that maybe I might have made a mistake by entering the trade early without the market breaking this level. As you can see, the market could not reach this level and started falling down in the downward direction. But I was expecting, if not, maybe there should have been a short retracement, but these two candles were basically clearing out all the losing all the hope that I had, because there was no any kind of bearish moment from these two candles. So I was expecting and preparing myself to take a loss, but you can see there is some kind of extraordinary force that just pushed price all the way about to this level, hitting the upper resistance level. And I don't know, maybe you can call it a lucky win, and I'm also grateful for this movement that helped us win a losing trade. And this is not gonna happen every single time, so going forward this is something that I'm gonna consider it as a loss and not a win, because if I had to enter this trade, I should have waited for the market to break this level, because this is where you can see the market got rejected and moved in the downward direction for some time. This candle, however, failed to break that level, so me entering a trade over here was not a right entry. I should have waited for at least this candle to break above this level to understand that the buyers have become strong and would like to take control over the market now. But anyhow, we won the trade. So let me explain you the setup once again. So this, as I told you, the major trend of the market is an uptrend. You can see the major trend is an uptrend, and when we entered we were somewhere around this area, and I told you that the market is moving in the sideways and we can find a breakout in either of the direction. So we did have a trade opportunity to take a trade here. I had placed this level earlier here. We had an opportunity to take the trade here, but since the breakout was too below the support level, the previous support level, I did not enter my trade. Even if we did, we would have won, but I was not sure, because the market could have found support anywhere around this area and could have reversed easily. Because if we had an entry over here or here, we could have had good enough time for the market to fall down and take support. As you can see, the market hit this level and started moving in the upward direction. So I expected that to happen early, but it happened a little later, and I could see that the market started moving upward direction. The market broke this level and formed a new high. The market started moving downwards and failed to form a new lower low. So this is a kind of indication that there is a possibility of market reversal. So that's the reason I decided to wait for an uptrade. So this is the trend line, previous downtrend. You can see the market respected this level, and with the breakout of this candle is when I got confirmation, not a complete confirmation, partial confirmation, because the market failed to break this level, which I neglected. As soon as the market broke this level, I entered for a trade here. However, our opening also was slightly above the place that we wanted to open. And the market started moving in the downward direction. You can see the market first got rejected by this trend line, which was previously working as resistance and now support. And with this candle is when I started losing hope, thinking that maybe this is a wrong trade that I have entered. And you can see the market was becoming weaker, the support was becoming weaker and weaker, and a little moment in this I still had hope, because we still had 2 minutes of time. So in 2 minutes, yes, the market, it is possible for the market to move in the upward direction from this level, but I did not expect this, like this big candle to form out of nowhere. However, I'm grateful to the buyers that pushed the market in the last moment so that I could win this trade. So that is it for this session, guys, and I'm done for the day. And also one more thing that I'm planning to do is I would like to decrease my capital, because I still need to learn a lot. I'm still a learner, and maybe I need to decrease my capital and focus on the learning process, gain as much as the experience I can, then we can go for the bigger amounts. So I would suggest everyone who's learning or in the stage of who's starting off their trading journey, I would request you and suggest you all to trade with lower amount, because you will lose a lot of money while you're learning. As you lose is when you learn what not to do. So in that case, try to minimize your capital and trade with lower capital investment. So that is it for today's session, guys. Thank you for being around, and I wish you all a good day and a goodbye.